Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Summer has arrived, and you know what that means. It's time to tackle the wide road with our fantastic motorcycles. But before we all leave our driveways in shorts and flip-flops, because it's tempting, there are a few essential things to remember to keep our rides safe and pleasurable. That's why we're delving into some vital summer motorbike safety advice. We'll cover everything from keeping your bike in good condition to staying cool and hydrated on long rides. So, gear up and prepare for a summer of safe and memorable motorbike excursions. Let's begin with the most critical element, our protective gear. It may not win any fashion awards, but a good helmet, jacket, trousers, gloves, and boots can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a catastrophic medical issue. This is a no-brainer. Your helmet is your lifeline. Check that it fits tightly, isn't expired. Yep, helmets have a lifespan and has a clear, scratch-resistant visor. Forget the tank tops and shorts. Invest in high-quality motorcycle jackets and trousers. Choose abrasion-resistant materials, such as leather or thick fabrics, and consider jackets with built-in armor for added protection. Wearing suitable motorcycle gloves and boots will protect your hands and feet. Gloves should provide firm grip and protection, and boots should be durable and cover your ankles. Preride Motorcycle Checkup. Just as you would need to check the gas gauge to get into a car, you should begin your motorbike journey with a short safety check. Here's an easy procedure to follow. Tires. Check the tire's pressure and tread depth. Properly inflated tires improve grip and handling. Lights. Check that your headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals all operate correctly. Fluids. Check the oil, coolant, and brake fluid levels. Fill them up as needed. Squeeze the brakes. They should be firm and responsive. Chain. Make sure your chain is adequately greased and adjusted according to your motorcycle's manual. Bonus tip. If your motorbike has been sitting for a while, consider bringing it to a competent mechanic for a pre-season inspection. Staying cool and hydrated. Summer heat may be terrible, especially when you're riding your motorbike. How to stay cool and hydrated. Hydration is key. Bring plenty of water and take frequent breaks to rehydrate. Aim to drink even before you're thirsty. Dress for the heat. Choose lightweight, breathable motorcycling clothing made of moisture-wicking materials. Riding smart in summer conditions. Summer throws various curveballs at us on the road. Here's how to adapt your riding style to different weather conditions. Rain. When cycling in the rain, slow down significantly and increase your following distance. Be aware of limited vision due to rain and spray. Use your low beams to increase your visibility to other cars. Dust storms. Dust storms can limit visibility and create dangerous driving conditions. Pull over and wait out the storm if possible. If you must continue riding, slow down substantially, use your low beams, and stay vigilant for potential hazards such as debris or vehicles masked by dust. Strong winds can impair your motorcycle's handling, particularly at high speeds. Reduce your speed while maintaining a tight grip on the handlebars. Avoid cycling in open spaces where you are more vulnerable to wind gusts. Sun glare can blind you and make it difficult to see the road. Invest in a high-quality motorcycle helmet visor with anti-glare tint. Adjust your riding position to reduce the sun's direct effect on your eyes. You can get all these high-quality products from regulaspares.com in reasonable price. So you can visit regulaspares.com for getting any part of your favorite motorcycle. Motorcycles are smaller and easier to miss. Make eye contact with drivers whenever feasible and avoid remaining in their blind spots. Defensive riding. Assume that other drivers will not see you and anticipate their behavior. Ride defensively to avoid accidents. Obey traffic laws. Speeding, making irresponsible lane changes, and disobeying traffic signals endanger not just yourself, but also other drivers. Bonus tip. Consider taking a motorcycle safety course to improve your skills and learn defensive riding strategies. Packing for a ride. Packing strategically might make your summer rides more pleasurable and safe. Here's what you should consider. Essentials. Always save your motorbike registration, license, and evidence of insurance. Sunscreen. To protect yourself from the sun, use high-quality sunscreen. Apply liberally and frequently throughout the day, especially if you're sweating. A basic first aid kit can help with minor injuries. Tools. Carry an essential toolbox that includes a tire pressure tester, screwdrivers, and wrenches for small on-the-road changes. Bonus tip. Bring a rain poncho or mini motorbike coverings in case you are caught in an unexpected shower. Summer is an excellent time to enjoy the open road on your motorbike. Now you might be thinking, bike repairs are confusing and for mechanics only. But hold on. Learning some basic bike fixes is actually way easier than you think, and it can save you time and money in the long run. Imagine this. You're out for a fantastic ride when BM, your chain comes off. Instead of calling a tow truck or worse, walking your bike home. With a little know-how and a few tools, you can get that chain back on and be rolling again in no time. So what kind of repairs should you learn? Start with the simple stuff. Fixing a flat tire. This is a must-know for any cyclist. You'll need a tire pump, some patch kits, and maybe some tire levers to make the job easier. Adjusting your brakes. Squeaky or loose brakes can be annoying and dangerous. With a wrench or two, you can usually tighten things up and get your brakes feeling nice and secure. Shifting gears. A bike that won't change gears properly can be a real drag, pun intended. Learning how to adjust your shifters can get you back in control of your ride. Now let's talk tools. You don't need a whole workshop to fix your bike. A good starter kit might include a set of Allen wrenches. These are those L-shaped wrenches that come in different sizes. They're used for a bunch of things on your bike. Tire levers. Those handy little things that help you pry off a stubborn tire. A pump. A good bike pump will get your tires inflated to the right pressure, which is important for a smooth ride. However, remember that safety should always be your priority. By following these basic rules, you can make sure your summer rides are not only fun, but also safe for you and others. So, prepare sensibly, remain hydrated, and most importantly, have fun. If you have any queries or recommendations about summer motorbike safety, please share them in the comments section below. Remember to like and subscribe for more motorbike material. Until next time, ride safe.